Imagine a universe with neither beginning nor end. No Big Bang, no singularity. Instead, it breathes eternally, like two fish made of light, one black, one white, circling each other in perfect harmony. Hello, I'm Michael Lehmann, and today I'm introducing you to Taijitu Relaxation Cosmology, a minimal, cyclic model that elegantly solves the greatest puzzles of modern cosmology. If you've ever wondered what dark energy is really all about, why the Hubble tension is driving scientists crazy, or what the deeper duality in the universe actually means, then definitely stick around. The standard model of cosmology, lambda CDM, is actually pretty brilliant. It tells us that everything began 13.8 billion years ago with a hot Big Bang. And indeed, an incredible amount of observations fit this picture perfectly, like the cosmic microwave background. But there are cracks in the picture. The Hubble constant, that is how fast the universe is expanding, is measured in two different ways, and the results simply don't match. One method gives 67, the other 73 kilometers per second per megaparsec. That's the famous Hubble tension. The latest data from the DESI experiment in 2024 even suggest that dark energy is changing over time. It's not nearly as constant as we always thought. And then there's this strange coincidence. Why, precisely in our epoch today, are ordinary matter and dark energy almost exactly equally strong? It feels like an unbelievable fluke that no one can properly explain. And the biggest puzzle of all, singularities. What was actually there before the Big Bang? The mathematics completely breaks down at that point. The Taijitu Relaxation Cosmology solves all these problems elegantly and without having to invent any new exotic physics. All it needs is a single additional parameter. At its core, the universe is a unified whole, made up of two complementary vacuum states, like yin and yang in a slightly asymmetric double-well potential. One side lies just a tiny bit lower. This creates a slow, steady flow of energy. No explosive Big Bang, but a cyclic relaxation over roughly 100 billion years, driven by stochastic quantum processes, just as Starobinsky and Yokoyama described back in the 1980s. Dark energy, in this picture, is not constant. It evolves completely naturally. Its density grows proportional to a cubed times the natural logarithm of A, and the equation of state parameter, W, behaves like -1 plus a small correction term, exactly as the latest DESI data from 2024 show. The present-day value, W sub 0, is about -0.9968. This resolves three major problems in one stroke. The Hubble tension disappears with a natural H sub 0 of 68.9 kilometers per second per megaparsec. The coincidence problem, why ordinary matter and dark energy are almost equally strong right now in our era, becomes a natural consequence of this eternal breathing in the deeper duality we see everywhere, from matter and antimatter to the two hemispheres of our own brains, finally finds its cosmic counterpart. One model, one parameter, no exotics, and it fits almost uncannily well. Taijitu Relaxation Cosmology, a model that finally takes the ancient duality seriously and sees the universe for what it may always have been, an eternal, breathing hole. You'll find the full paper down in the description. What do you think? Is the Big Bang finally obsolete? Or do we still need more evidence? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell. There are many more thought experiments like this to come. To capture the essence of this idea one last time in a more personal way, I wrote a short poetic reflection. The breathing drop. Imagine an infinitely vast, perfectly calm ocean made of pure light. It is not empty. It is simply still. In this ocean floats a single, enormous drop of liquid mirror glass, so perfectly round and smooth that it cannot even see itself. This drop is the Taijitu vacuum. Suddenly, an infinitely long time ago, and yet right now, a tiny, barely visible dent appears at its center, no larger than a thought. The dent divides the drop into two halves, two fish made of light that slowly wind around each other. Black and white, yin and yang, still almost equally heavy. One side is only a whisper lower, just a whisper. But that whisper is enough for the light, which is everywhere, to flow ever so slowly into the deeper half, like water trickling down a barely sloping hill, so slowly that it takes billions of years to notice. This gentle flowing is what we today call dark energy. The side that empties does not become empty. It only grows thinner, more translucent. It remains as a shadow directly beneath us, as an invisible breath that quietly pulls us. That is dark matter. The other fish, still there, only one breath away, phase shifted, yet never separated. We are living right now on the bottom of the deeper half, on the floor of the fish that is slowly filling. That is why space is expanding, why the universe is accelerating, why it feels as though the entire ocean is gently exhaling. In the distant future, when the drop has once again become perfectly round and balanced, the whisper will reverse. The light will flow back, the other fish will inhale, and everything will begin anew. No beginning, no end. Only one single, eternal breath between two almost identical worlds that never leave each other. Written by Lehmann, November 2025.